You think you're almost there. You've got money coming in, you're not broke, you're not rich, and somehow that feels worse than being broke. Nobody warned you about this place. Nobody made a video about it, and almost everyone gets stuck here for years without even knowing it has a name. Welcome to the middle trap. Let me walk you through what your life actually looks like at every single level of financial freedom, because most people selling you the dream skip straight from broke to mansion. They cut out the part in the middle where most people quietly give up, go numb, or convince themselves they're doing fine when they're actually running in place on a treadmill made of lifestyle upgrades and false confidence. Let's start at the bottom. Level 0. You're living paycheck to paycheck. Every unexpected expense feels like a punch to the throat. Your anxiety spikes every time you open your banking app. You're not thinking about wealth, you're thinking about survival. And here's something nobody says out loud. This level, as painful as it is actually the most motivating, because the pain is loud, the problem is obvious, you know something has to change. That fire, that's actually your biggest asset right now. Then something shifts. You start making more. Maybe you got a raise, started a side hustle, landed a better job. You climb to what I call level 1, basic stability. Your bills are paid, you're not panicking at the gas station, you can breathe. And this feels incredible for about 3 months. Then you adjust, the relief fades, and you start spending just a little more because you deserve it. This is where the trap starts quietly building its walls. Level 2 is where it gets sneaky. This is comfortable discomfort. You're making decent money, maybe 40, 60, 80,000 a year, or its equivalent wherever you live. You have savings, not a lot, but some. You go on vacation once a year. You drive a car you're kind of proud of. You eat at restaurants without checking the prices too hard. From the outside, you look like you're doing well. From the inside, you feel like you're one bad month away from everything unraveling. And you're right, because you've upgraded your lifestyle to match your income, not your future. Your expenses grew with your earnings. Your savings rate stayed basically the same. You're earning more and somehow still stuck. This is the middle trap. This is where dreams go to hibernate. And here's the psychology behind why it's so dangerous. When you were broke, the gap between where you are and where you want to be was massive and obvious. It hurt, it pushed you. But at level 2, the gap is still huge. You're just comfortable enough not to feel it every day. You stop being desperate. And desperation, as ugly as it sounds, is often what drives transformation. Comfort is the enemy dressed in business casual. Most people spend their entire 30s, sometimes their entire lives, at level 2. Not because they're lazy, not because they're dumb, but because nobody told them that feeling okay is not the same as being free. They confused relief with progress. Now let's talk about what breaking through actually looks like. Level 3 is what I call intentional momentum. This is where someone makes a decision, a real one, not a vision board decision, that their savings rate matters more than their image. They start living below their income, not like a monk, but with intention. They start buying assets, not just experiences. They understand that every dollar either works for them or against them. And slowly, almost invisibly at first, things start compounding. This level requires the most discipline because nothing feels dramatic yet. You're not rich, but you're building something real. Level 4 is breathing room. This is when your investments start generating income. Passive cash flow starts covering small expenses. Maybe your portfolio throws off enough to cover your phone bill, then your car payment, then your rent. Each milestone feels like a revelation. This is the level where people start sleeping differently. Not better necessarily, but differently. The anxiety that used to wake you up at 3 in the morning about bills starts being replaced by a different kind of thinking. Bigger thinking. Longer thinking. Level 5 is what people online call financial independence. Your passive income covers your entire lifestyle. You don't have to work. You choose to or you don't. And here's what nobody tells you about this level. It's not a destination that fixes everything. The people who get here and are genuinely happy are the ones who built a life they loved on the way up, not the ones who delayed living until they arrived. Because if you spent 20 years telling yourself, "I'll be happy when," you don't just flip a switch. You get here and realize the work was never really about the money. So here's the real truth, the big insight I want you to sit with. The level you're at right now isn't defined by your bank account. It's defined by your relationship with money. You can be at level 2 with a 6-figure income and still be trapped. And you can be building toward level 4 on a modest salary if your mindset and habits are aligned. The number isn't the trap. The story you're telling yourself about the number is. The practical shift is this. Figure out your actual savings rate right now. Not what you wish it was, what it actually is. Because that single number, what percentage of your income you keep and invest, determines which level you're moving toward, regardless of what you earn. Then ask yourself one honest question. Am I upgrading my lifestyle faster than I'm upgrading my net worth? If the answer is yes, you are in the trap, and you've been calling it success. Start making the gap visible, not painful, visible. Track it, name it, give your future self a face. Make the discomfort loud again on purpose, because that's the only way to keep moving when comfort tries to sedate you. The difference between the people who make it to level 4 and the people who retire at level 2 isn't talent, it's not even income. It's whether they were willing to feel the gap when they didn't have to, whether they chose clarity over comfort when comfort was available. You found this video for a reason. Right or Profit isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich right. If this hit different for you, drop a comment with the level you think you're actually at, not where you want to be, where you are. And if you want the full breakdown of exactly how to escape the middle trap with specific numbers and strategies, that video is up next. Don't let the algorithm bury it. You know what to do.